Hello guys. This time, I want to share a mini progress. I'm going to add sound effects to the monster when it gets shot. The AI's voice narration sounds really old, doesn't it? I'm only 29, so in the future, I think I'll just use my own voice. I'm too lazy to search and customize the voice to sound like me, and the feature isn't free either, so I'll just use my own voice later.
A few moments later.
I want the boss monster's growling sound to only occur every 2 or 3 shots because I don't want it to be too repetitive.
We're back in business, boys.
I'm gonna ask ChatGPT, but gimana caranya supaya
The best of everything. Sorry, I'm not the speaker straight, but I'm just adjusting.
A few moments later. A few moments later. A few moments later. A few moments later.